What's up, you guys? My name's Gavin. I'm 21 years old. I'm in my last year of college as a collegiate pole vaulter slash hurdler slash former decathlete. Right now I'm working. I drive for work. I'm a delivery driver. So I'm taking this opportunity to just talk a little bit. But yeah, currently Tuesday in the morning. Yikes. Looks like everyone's okay. Not too bad. Yeah, but anyways, maybe I'll just talk about my my little journey. Yeah, well, I'm 21. Just finished my fall semester of my senior year. So I have one more semester remaining before I graduate, and I've done pole vault for I think 11 years, and I've cleared 507 meters last year, and that is my PR. And that's 16.7 feet. Yeah, so that's pole vault. And then, geez, man. Yeah, I've been working at this job for a year. I enjoy it. It's not painful like some jobs would be, so I'm happy with that. But I usually work on the weekends. I go to school in Pomona and come back to Riverside on the weekends, Southern California, for anyone from other places. Yeah, but I'm going to school to be a history teacher. My parents are both teachers. I chose history teaching. We'll talk about that. Why I chose history teaching is because my junior year of high school, I had a teacher who just kind of it was like COVID, and it made me realize that teachers have an impact on students, and I wouldn't want to be on my Zoom class, but the way he taught kind of changed my perception of school. Kind of just made me realize teachers are more than just teaching a subject. And so I kind of that stuck with me, and I really wanted to have a positive influence on students' lives, just like that did on mine. And I've always known that I would be a good teacher. Everyone's oh, you're really good at explaining things. My grandma says that. But other people have said that too. But I do think I'm pretty good at explaining things, but you don't necessarily need to explain things as a teacher. I mean, you do, but it's not all you do. It's also a lot of babysitting, it seems like. But yeah, my parents are teachers, so I wanted to be a teacher too. I knew kind of what it looked like, but now I'm kind of starting to realize I actually don't want to do that, and I think I'm taking a risk, trying to see what I can do. Give me 1 second, let me drop this off. So yeah, I wanted to be a history teacher to inspire students was my number one goal. And then the reason why I chose history was because I felt like I could use life lessons more in history, more than you can in I don't know, science. I liked physics, but that's kind of more straightforward. History's ideas. And so I really wanted to inspire students to be the best version of themselves, and I don't know, just be that teacher that helps me. And I know I can do that, and I know that I would be a great teacher, and that would all be good, but I kind of want I want more, and I know that there's more out there. So that's kind of where I'm at. So now I'm kind of thinking I want to make my own brand and like have it centered around, you know, like positivity, like freedom, you know, nature, just like all the things I think are like very important, and like, you know, being kind, like, I don't know, I want a brand that represents that overall like becomes like, I don't know, like influence on people. And like, you guys probably don't, but there's a guy called named Lewis Howes, and he has a podcast called The School of Greatness, and he like said his kind of mission once, and it really like spoke to me, I guess. But he basically was talking about how he like was kind of lost. He was in sports, and then like he was just like really lost, and then like he just figured out all this stuff on his own, and now he's like, you know, millionaire, has a business, and like does these podcasts where he basically is like trying to help other people. And so he started this School of Greatness to help others get the information that he wishes that he had when he was, you know, lost and like had no like direction really. What the hell? But yeah, so that really spoke to me, because like, you know, I feel like I can show people what they can do, and so that's kind of my goal. As I'm getting older, I'm realizing that like there is just more out there in the world that like you can see, and I honestly don't want to. It's not that I don't want to work, it's that I don't want to be, you know, working for someone else, and I'm young, and it's like somehow I have this mindset that I know that I can do it, and I don't really know how that's possible, but well, I do. It's just because I am in like the world's best situation, and I'm so lucky. You know, I actually have like the opportunity to think that I can do more than what's, you know, right in front of me, you know? But I watched this other YouTuber, Unlockable Character. He is a car YouTuber, he drives a car, that's his main thing. It's an expensive, fast car, and he talks about like wisdom and like inspiring like people, and that also has inspired me a lot. And he's like kind of doing the same thing, like making a brand that's rooted in like hard work and, you know, like all this good stuff. I don't know it off the top of my head, I forgot, but it's like wisdom. He shares a lot of wisdom, and like I want to be able to do that, like, but my thing is oh, you know what, I just had a realization, like how am I going to share wisdom if I don't start sharing my wisdom, you know? But yeah, so I was just thinking like kind of about how he has that M4, like expensive car that, like, you know, you get the views, you attract the right people, because that car, people are clicking on it because they like admire cars, they like cars, they are like hardworking, and they, you know, an expensive car, people who drive those are successful, they're rich. And so I was thinking like I don't have that M4, so how am I going to get people to listen to me? But I was just kind of like, I was thinking, and I was like brainstorming with like AI, and I was like, well, I actually like have things that are more kind of relatable to other people. Like I can actually show my journey from like being in college, 21 years old, you know, athlete, like I'm on this path to be like a normal teacher job, but I want more. And so this can kind of be my story, I guess. Yeah. So I want my brand to basically be like rooted in freedom, inspiring, motivation, and like being the best version of yourself, which is actually a lot of what Unlockable Character, the guy that I was talking about, does. And so I think I'm going to try and make more videos like this, and I will be like, I drive on the weekends usually, so I think I can do them. And I could record a couple throughout the day, I guess. Yeah. But I want these to kind of be like episodes where I could go through my journey and, share like some wisdom that I have, because I do have a little bit. I'm still young, I'm still learning stuff, but I still have like some advice I could share, I guess. So that's kind of what I'm doing. But yeah, so hopefully that was helpful. I might continue the video after I park. Alright, we're back, but I think that's gonna be it for this little like intro episode. Just kind of talked about who I am, what I'm doing. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna try and just keep posting these, because this is ultimately what I want to do. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed, drop a subscribe, drop a like, comment. Let me know if you are interested in this, if you're inspired, if you want to be the best version of yourself, if you want some wisdom from me. Yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.